The top 3 high-intensity interval training exercises you can do in the comfort of your own home. Number 1. Burpees. 2. Mountain climbers. And 3. High knees. Number 1. Burpees. Burpees is our number 1 high-intensity workout. It's a full-body strength training exercise with the ability to engage the heart in high-intensity intervals, making it, and you, stronger, whilst providing a multifunctional intense cardio workout. Number 2. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are a wonderful exercise that gets the heart rate up quickly and bestows an effective high-intensity workout. Not only that, they also fire up nearly every muscle group in the body, providing a great full-body workout. And number 3. Jogging on the spot with high knees. If you want a great workout for the core and add a gentle resistance to the heart for training, jogging on the spot in short bursts, whilst making sure you engage the core muscles, will help you lose belly fat and create a successful intense workout. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, subscribe, like to tell me you liked it, and comment if you feel like it. See you later.